All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. How's it going, YouTube? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Gala update. In the last Gala video, we were actually ranging between this point. I think I left you guys off with an ascending triangle pattern over here, which is a double bottom. But of course, although this is a bullish pattern and should break to the upside, you can of course still come down. It doesn't necessarily mean 100% we are going up. Look at the trend that we're in, guys. We've been trending downward since the second month of the year. So after Jan, this was Jan, and then since Jan, literally gone down. So longer term from this point, technically we're in an uptrend. We're just creating that higher low to like continue higher, but from February we've been literally in a downtrend. So the patterns that I'm seeing within this could actually all be false if they are bullish. So that is where over here we're seeing a bullish one, because we have been in a downtrend for some months now. This bullish pattern may not work. Again, the pattern itself, the rules state that this has got a 66% chance of breaking up to the upside, but because of the trend that we're in, that's why, okay, there's still a 33% chance it could go down, and because of the trend that we're in, we could even break out to the upside in the short term and still continue lower. So it's just something to be aware of rather than be scared. Just be aware of that. So what I'm seeing at the moment across Bitcoin and a lot of alts, and I've been talking about on the channel for some days now, are falling wedges, and we have a similar one here with Gala going through 0.1, 2, and then we've got some support over here, and then back to resistance over here. So there's some of a resistance, and then just going through these 2 points just like this, and then you've got a falling wedge right there. I guess you can extend it further back, but yeah, I'm just worried about the two body candle closes over here. And so what's happening is price is trapped between this support and resistance. We've had a breakout over here, but the 200 EMA and this double top threw us back under. In fact, guys, this is where I gave a free trade, completely free, on the channel from this point to this point. If you want to learn to be able to do this on your own, so you become a self-sufficient trader, a lot of people have been saying, or a handful of people over the last few days saying, Louis, I didn't even know you teach. That is crazy. I say it like 10 times every video. But if you want to do the course or the I found it so funny when I heard that yesterday. But because it's always in the videos. But anyway, if we head over to here, all the links you need can be found in the pinned comment section below this video, as well as the description. Just click this for the course and mentorship. There are some deals with the mentorship. I do include some further things, so if you want to check those out, hit this link. Otherwise, private message me on my Twitter. And if you want to become a Discord member, join the community through this link. Heading back to Gala with this falling wedge pattern over here, technically speaking, the pattern's target is back where we came from, so pretty much returning to those January highs in and around 5 to 6 cents. So this will all happen only if Bitcoin were to break out of its own falling wedge. So that's why I recommend always checking out those Bitcoin updates. Yeah, so we did give this M patterns trade on the channel completely for free, and yeah, if you would wait for daily candle closes to have lost this area, then entry would have been right over here. If you went for lower time frame entries, then you could have got entries higher. But let's say it was from this candle, you can see that's already a bit into past the validation point. But if you were trading this with a daily time frame strategy, then you still could have profited 21%, even with such a, in some people's case, it would believe, oh, this is too late to enter. Even so, we can see that we lost the support with momentum in that daily candle close. We set a wick the day before and we took it out with that daily candle close, and then still profited 21%. Of course, if we went on the 4 hour or whatnot, we would have seen a close, or 1 hour or 15 minute, there would have been further entry points, like further signals essentially. And what you'd be looking for is chart patterns or candlestick patterns. So recognition of those is so important, guys. This is what I cover in depth, as well as the Fibonacci's, the EMAs. I've got like over 45 minutes to an hour content just on Fibonacci's, because it was something that I personally struggled with when I was learning it myself. I went through 30 plus videos on YouTube trying to do it for free. Some people saying it's this way and some people saying it's another way. So it was just quite confusing for me back then. But yeah, I obviously got the hang of it. If that's something you struggle with, then just private message me. So over here we can see this ascending triangle formation. It really doesn't matter where you put the support. Again, you can constantly adjust it. The resistance of this ascending triangle is this green trend line over here. That's resistance that we already have previously, support, now resistance, 3 to 3 cents. So 3 cent and 0.23 or whatever you want to call it. And again, to the upside, this would be a break that would head towards the 200 EMA, a reclaim, is saying that we should actually come back up to where we validated this M pattern, which I gave for free on the channel over here. So after meeting this target, we're creating a reversal pattern over here, being a double bottom or ascending triangle. And so we're looking to break above 3238245 to actually head up, simply because, again, since the beginning of the year, well, since after Jan, we've been retracing back down to the golden pocket, and we have of course come down to that area right now. So from this point, it's actually a perfect buying opportunity in the long term. Again, this might not hold up. If Bitcoin starts dumping, then this will come down, but technically speaking, using the fibs, what is in the course of mine and the mentorship, price should actually go up from this point, but also prepared for it to actually lose this and the reversal wave being created, potentially heading all the way back down to either the 786 or the 1 fib level. So we need to keep our eyes on Bitcoin. Yes, I know this is a Gala video, but Bitcoin will decide what Gala will do. And if Bitcoin is in a bullish pattern, being a falling wedge, and is trying to break out, then the same thing will be the case over here for Gala. So if Gala were to actually break out and we do actually come all the way back up to where we begun this pattern, this could be almost a 100% move from today's current price, from about 3 cents all the way until about 6 cents. So this would be an insane move. It won't happen overnight or 1 week. It may take even longer than a month. And this is if we even break to the upside. That's all dependent on Bitcoin. Make sure you stay up to date with those videos. Please do like, subscribe, comment for the algorithm. We're trying to grow the channel as quick as we can. And make sure you're following me over on my Twitter. We're almost at 2k followers. This is where you can also private message me, whether that's about the mentorship or joining the Discord community. Hit those links in the description and pinned comment section down below over for my link tree, and you can join through this membership link or the course and mentorship link.